Let's learn how to stop Instagram from sharing your story to Facebook. So let's start by opening our Instagram application. What you want to do is to go to your profile and click on three horizontal lines in top right corner. Then you will go to Account Center. It's the first option when you open the settings. Now you want to click on Connected Experiences and click on Sharing Across Profiles in Content section. So click on it, select the Instagram you are using, you want to stop sharing, and here you will see automatically share section. So your Instagram story will be enabled by default. So you just need to click on it and wait until it turns gray. So you can just go back, and you have stopped Instagram from sharing your story to your Facebook account. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.